Welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will be looking at one of the most basic and most commonly used function, that is sum function. So here if you see, I have some data of sales figure and there are sales months and there is monthly data available. Here I have already summed up that data using like B3 plus B4 B5, but we will not be doing this. We are here to understand the basic structure of formulas or functions. So I'll clear this. Instead of doing conventional addition for summation, Excel will automate this experience for us. So what we have to do, we will go into formulas, then in math and trig. Here we will search for sum. So here it is. Once I click on it, it will open up argument box. So here we can see Excel is so smart that it has taken a range B3 to B7 on its own. It understood that we want to sum of the range from B3 to B7. Let's say even if it is not there, what we can do is we can just select all the cells in that range and we can click on OK. That's it. Let's try this for one more cell. Select the cell, formula, math and trig, go to sum, argument box will appear, select the cells and OK. There you go. As simple as this. As we look into this formula, it is starting with equal, then sum function, and then there is argument in parenthesis, that is what range we want to sum. As I said earlier, sum function is the commonly used function in Microsoft Excel. So try it out.